In this video, we'll review the available sales leaderboard settings. Some settings are included with the basic sales plan, while others are available only with Sales Leaderboard Pro. To begin, open Settings from the left side menu and select Sales Leaderboard Settings. The first section controls how names are displayed throughout the system. You can choose whether salespeople, sales managers, finance managers, and customers appear using a first name and last initial, a full first and last name, or another available format. Each name type can be configured independently. Any changes made here will automatically update across the applicable reports and leaderboards. The sales section includes several additional controls. You can choose whether split deals are included and select which sales date the system should use for reporting. Different DMS providers may send several possible dates, including the sales date, deal date, or delivery date. During setup, we work to match the correct date for your dealership. However, if you change DMS providers or your store's reporting process changes, you may need to update this setting. Select the date that best matches the results you expect to see in your reports. The report section controls which gross values appear on desktop reports. You can choose to display or hide front-end gross, back-end gross, and total gross. The icon settings allow you to choose the graphics used on supported leaderboards. Available options may include vehicles, dollar signs, power sports related graphics, campers, and other icon styles. This allows you to select an appearance that best fits your dealership or business. You can also choose whether trade deals are included in the displayed statistics. The sales days section is used for pacing and store calculations. Turn off any day when your dealership is normally closed. For example, if your store is closed on Sundays, disable Sunday so the system does not include it in the pace calculations. The custom date range setting allows you to temporarily adjust the reporting period for all sales reports and leaderboards. This can be useful when a sales month extends into the beginning of the following month because of a holiday, weekend, quarter-end schedule, or OEM reporting requirement. For example, you could set the reporting period from July 1st through August 4th or August 5th. When the selected period ends, the system automatically returns to the standard calendar month schedule. You can reset the date range manually at any time. Be sure to click Save or the new dates will not be applied. Individual leaderboards can also use their own custom date ranges without changing the account-wide setting. A separate training video is available with more information about custom date ranges. The monthly store goals section is available to Sales Leaderboard Pro customers. From here, you can enter the dealership's monthly performance goals for use on supported reports and leaderboards. The CSI settings allow you to customize your dealership's CSI standards. You can define the score ranges and colors that appear on CSI reports. For example, you can choose which scores appear in red, yellow, or green based on your dealership's standards. Any changes made here will automatically update the supported CSI reports and leaderboards. A separate CSI training video is also available. If your dealership uses DealPack, you can enable it within the settings. This allows the system to remove the selected deal pack amount from applicable calculations across leaderboards, desktop reports, and staff performance pages. The sales team section allows you to create custom groups for reporting purposes. Enter a team name and select the employees who should be included. These teams are created specifically within the leaderboard system and may be different from the teams assigned to individual sales managers. Once a team has been created, you can use it as a filter on desktop reports or create separate leaderboards for each group. These reports can be shared internally or displayed on a television screen. The staff accounts section contains settings for individual salespeople. You can choose whether each employee can view front-end gross, back-end gross, or both on their personal reports. You can also enter individual CSI scores, unit goals, gross goals, demos, write-ups, and store visits. Depending on your subscription, some of these goals and performance fields may only appear on Pro reports. You can save this information manually or create an account that allows the employee to log in and view their own results. When Create Account appears beside an employee, you can use that option to provide access. If the employee already has an account, additional controls will be displayed. You may be able to change the employee's password, remove their access, or log in as the employee to review what they can see. The settings also include account and goal options for sales managers and finance managers. You can configure their individual information and enter the appropriate performance goals. Additional information about the mobile app is also available in this area. The Sales Leaderboard settings are designed to give your dealership detailed control over how data is calculated, displayed, and shared. Because every store operates differently, these options allow the system to match your dealership's processes instead of requiring every customer to use the same setup. If the numbers in a report do not match what you expect, reviewing these settings is often the best place to begin. Our support team is available to help you review the settings and configure the system for your dealership.